everyone, my name is Ryan. Today I'm going to be reviewing food with my dog. Say hi, Lily. So these are the foods that Lily's going to be reviewing. So the first one. Eat it. Hey, stay here. Show yourself. Hey. Oh, did you like the first one? Did you like the first one? Okay, so the next one. Here you go. Taste it. Is it good? Okay. Next. Here. Do you like it? Where are you going? Hey. Hey. Really? Alright. The next food. Here, try. You like it? Oh, she likes it. Okay. The second to the last. Here you go. Try this. Do you like it? Try it. Try it. Lily, try it. Try it. Okay. The last one. Here you go. Try it. Lily, try it. Okay, you'll just rest. Okay. Bye-bye, everybody.